Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaylee, and today I'm filming a video that I've been waiting to film for a while. I'm very excited about this. So today we're basically going to be going through my closet. I'm taking you guys along and we're going to try to create some Brandy aesthetic outfits. So basically how I came up with this is I was at the mall with my best friend and we went through PACSUN and I saw some Brandy Melville clothes being sold there. And I was gonna buy a few of them because they were so cute. I looked at the pieces and I realized a lot of this stuff is just basic pieces and I kind of have a lot of similar things in my closet anyway. So the first dress that I have is this one from Rainbow. It's very cute. I've seen these little dresses all over Brandy for the summer. They're super popular. And this one was only $5. It was on the Rainbow website. Rainbow has some amazing basic pieces that you don't have to spend a lot of money on. I actually got this on sale. It was like $10. And I was already thinking that was a good deal, but then they were having a half off clear out sale. Even for the non-Brandy aesthetic, this is just a cute dress in general. So I'm going to try it with the t-shirt underneath to see if I can make it look more like some of the Instagram pictures that I've seen online. So this is the dress with the shirt underneath it. I feel like this could have been cuter. This is just a basic white t-shirt from Charlotte Russe and I think it was $5. But because the dress is a v-neck, I'm not sure how I like it, but I feel like this would look a lot better with the scoop neck dress. I just don't think I would wear this combo, especially because it's like 90 degrees in New York right now and I'm not trying to sweat to death. So this is just not. This one is actually so cute. I love this outfit. It's perfect for the summer. The only thing is, again, this t-shirt is like gonna be kind of hot. But honestly, I would sacrifice my comfort for this outfit. But you can also pair it with some sunglasses. So I have these army green sunglasses. I got them from DUPES and they were from American Eagle. And this skirt I got from PRIMARK. This t-shirt I got, not the t-shirt, the tank top I got from Mandy, and this t-shirt I got from Charlotte Russe. So Charlotte Russe, Mandy, PRIMARK, American Eagle on DUPES. Ooh, this is cute. This is giving me like Impossible. This color is really nice for fall. I feel like this could be good too for like when you just start going back to school. I really like this one. This is cute. 10 out of 10. Alright, I'm back with the same outfit again, but this time I added this cute little chain belt. Chains are really in trend right now, so I feel like this makes it a little bit cuter, and I think I'd rather wear it like this than without the belt. So I like this one a lot. This one is cute. This is another tank top from Mandy. Mandy has some cute little tank tops, and those are so popular this summer. So popular on Brandy, so the tank tops are perfect, and these shorts are really different. They're awesome. These are from PACSUN, but I got them thrifted for under $10, so I'm really excited. They're like a pale light wash in the front, and in the back they're medium wash, I think. Yeah, these are medium wash. So I always stand to the side when I'm taking pictures. I'm like, look at my half and half pants. But I love them, and I paired them with the same belt. This time I added a scrunchie because little accessories really make the look. So this scrunchie is from Forever 21. I have the same little silver hoop earrings. And I feel like this look is very easy to pull off. It looks like I put a little bit more effort into this one because of the accessories. But so this one is one of my personal favorite outfits. I've worn this a couple times already and I love it. These little fabric shorts are perfect because it gets a little bit hotter, so I don't have to wear like thick, heavy jeans. These are from PRIMARK. They just tie at the front. Always wanted tie front shorts. So when I saw these were perfect. Well, actually my sister bought them and then they didn't fit her, so I have them now, and there's a lot of perks to having a sister, except for when she steals my clothes, because I don't like that. This I got from Forever 21 last summer. I don't remember the price because I got it a little while ago. I just paired it with these silver hoops, but I'm gonna go get these earrings. I have these little star earrings that I got from Brandy that would look really cute with this. And you can also wear these with jeans, which I'm going to show you guys right now. No guys, you don't understand how long I've been waiting to do a transition like that. Anyway, jeans are a great way to make your look really cute. These are just basic jeans from Hollister. I love Hollister jeans. I wear them all the time. And then the same tank top. I don't even need to accessorize this. I think jeans and a tank top is such a classic line. But yes, this is the final look. I love how all the looks came together. Even though they're not Brandy Melville clothes or exact Brandy Melville outfit dupes, they're still inspired by them and they give my style a little bit of a flair. They make them a little bit more me, so I kind of like that. I'm not just copying off of the website. I'm taking inspiration from things that I like and I'm making the outfit more mine and something that's exactly my style. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would give it a thumbs up if you like it. Make sure to subscribe for more content and comment which one was your favorite outfit. Mine was definitely the one with the black shorts, and this is really cute. I just like this tank top. I think I'm biased. But anyway, comment down below, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye!